Hi guys, this is a new record player. This is a children's record player. It's a drum. It's in the shape of a drum. Really, really cool. Really rare. This one it's a huge drum, as you can see, because this is a 10-inch record. And all around the outside is circus. Circus theme. So that is really, really fun. Clowns and the elephant, and just really, really beautiful. So we are going to play something on it so you can get an idea of how it sounds. It's really fun. I've never seen anything like it. Here we go.
Walking one morning for pleasure, I spied a cowpuncher a-riding along. His hat was thrown back and his spurs was a-jingling. As he approached, he was singing this song. Whoopie-tie-oh, get along, little doggy. It's your misfortune and none of my own. Whoopie-tie-oh, get along, little doggy. You know Wyoming will be your new home. Down south for to see my Sal singing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. My Sally, she's a spunky gal, sing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. Oh, my Sally, she's a maiden fair, sing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. With curly eyes and laughing hair, sing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. Fare thee well, fare thee well, fare thee well, my fairy fair. I'm going to Louisiana for to see my Susiana, singing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. Fare thee well, fare thee well, fare thee well, my fairy fair. For I'm going to Louisiana for to see my Susiana, singing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. From this valley they say you are going. I shall miss your sweet face and your smile. Just because you are weary and tired, you are changing your range for a while. Then come sit here a while ere you leave us. Do not hasten to bid us adieu. Just remember the Red River Valley and the cowboy who loves you so true. Oh, once upon a time in Arkansas, an old man sat at his little cabin door, and he fiddled at a tune that he liked to hear. A jolly old tune that he played by ear. It was raining hard, but the fiddler didn't care. He sawed away at the popular air, and his roof tree leaped like the waterfall, but it didn't seem to bother the man at all. A traveler was riding by that day, and he stopped to hear him practicing the way. The cabin was afloat, and his feet were wet, but still the old man didn't seem to fret. So the stranger said, now the way it seems to me, you better